So all right. So Miss Dancy, I read your complaint. Why are we here?
Because she took up my 100-year-old antique oak floors to put down some cheap carpet. And I'm not worthy of being on the floor. Listen to me, the carpet is shabby. So then she had the nerves when she got evicted to take the damn carpet. Who does that?
Okay, hold on one second. Okay, hold on one second, Miss Dancy.
Okay.
Hold on, Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey, tell me what happened.
Well, first,
I just told you what happened.
No, I heard you, Miss Dancy. Hold on a second, Miss Bailey. Tell me what happened in your words. What happened?
I mean, is it time for me to speak? I mean,
Miss Bailey, tell me what happened, Miss Bailey. Tell me what happened. Talk to me.
Okay, so first of all, when I moved into the place, she had these little old floors. They just I don't know what. They was dry and dusty and crusty. It was ridiculous. I'm like, why would you have these floors in here? So I was like, well, let me go ahead and upgrade.
First of all, you don't come in and
Miss Dancy. Hold on. Right. Miss Bailey's turn. Go ahead, Miss Bailey. Not today. Let me hear what you have to say. Go ahead.
Okay, so what I was trying to do was upgrade the apartment and bring it into the 21st century. She was still back in Victorian times with the way these floors was looking.
That's because you don't know quality. You don't know quality. You took up 100-year-old oak wood floors to put down some cheap carpet.
So what you're telling me is, when you occupied Miss Dancy's home, you didn't like the appearance of the floors that she had down, and you removed.
So she didn't like the floors.
Miss Dancy, hold on. So you removed her floors and you replaced it with carpet?
Yes.
Did you know she was replacing? Did she ask? Did she get it in writing that it was okay to replace?
No, it wasn't in writing. It wasn't verbal. It was not in an email. It wasn't a text. She didn't even have the common courtesy to DM me. I show up and I see this horrible cheap carpet. This is not even, it's industrial carpet. This is not carpet that you put in a home. And she said she wanted to upgrade my space. Well, ma'am, moving into my place wasn't an upgrade for you. And then every time I pull up to the house, you act like you don't see me. You see me knocking on the door. You see me knocking on the door. Hello? Let's keep it real.
Okay, I get it. Okay, so Miss Dancy, how much was the floors valued at?
$15,000. Lies.
Ma'am, they're listen.
Maybe $500. No, $15,000, girl. Please, that old wood. Girl, that's the
bad. So Miss Bailey.
Okay, hold on,
Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey, what prompted you to remove Miss Dancy's floors and replace them with carpet without permission?
Hello?
Because they was creaking and they was old and dry and dusty and stuff.
Girl, that's called character. That's character.
Okay, so furthermore, okay, so hold on. Y'all have to listen to me. Listen, you're gonna have to listen to me, or we're not getting anywhere. So my question is, before your eviction,
say that again, Judge. Before your what?
Before your eviction, you had a prior conversation with Miss Dancy asking her to reimburse you for your carpet that you placed in the in exchange of her removed floors. You asked her for a reimbursement?
The nerve.
That is correct. Because
the nerve.
Evicted, I then needed that money that I placed value in her home to make it much more valuable. I think.
Oh, so you thought you was bringing value to my home? So if you thought you was bringing value to my home, why did you take up the carpets? That's a petty thing. That's petty. Nobody lays something. That's like me putting a picture, a door in your place, and then you want to take the door, talking about I'm replacing the door, but I'm taking the door with me. Oh, I know why. See, I was being nice to you when I let you move in my place because you already had an eviction on your record. But I let you move into my place, and then you came in there and took up my floors, and then you petty and gonna take up the carpet. Who does that?
Me. I do it.
Okay, well, since you do it,
that's why I'm living out of you all now.
Pay me my money for my carpet. It's just that simple.
I'm not paying you no money for your carpet. You got the carpet in the back of your U-Haul.
Okay, so
how am I gonna pay you for something that you got? You took the carpet up off the floor and put it in your U-Haul. So now you got a carpet in U-Haul.
Because I added value to your carpet, to your property.
Judge, I just saw her GoFundMe. She got a GoFundMe down to the internet talking about she need a new place, but she got carpet to put in the new place.
That's right, for my pain and distress and pain and suffering.
It's barely.
Who is distressing you?
Okay, so listen, I've heard enough.
Who is distressing you?
Hey, listen. I've heard enough. I'm ready to make my decision. Miss Bailey,
Hold on, Judge. I got one more thing to say.
Go ahead, Ms. Dancy.
Can I just say one more thing?
Go ahead, Ms. Dancy.
I always got something to say. Judge, she was always late on her rent. She always had all kind of men in and out the house. Clearly, the lease say that she is not supposed to have people to stay over the house longer than 2 days. I rolled past her apartment. I rolled past her place. It's been multiple
people there. Don't do that.
Yeah, honey. I want to know what's going on in my business, in my place, in my house. So you took up the carpet and you had multiple men in there. Oh, and then
that's my business, honey. That's my business. You mad because nobody coming to your house? Is that what it is?
Listen,
that's what it was. I see what the problem is.
And I was nice to you. I let you move in my place with the eviction and did not even say nothing about you ruining all the appliances. We here for carpet, so that's all we gonna say.
Okay, so listen.
I don't know the last time she cleaned those appliances.
Okay, don't worry about it. Miss Bailey, I don't know what made
tub
you
so
think...
nasty, still got her footprint. What size shoe you wear?
Miss Dancy, hold on a second. Listen, quiet. I'm ready to make my ruling. Miss Bailey, I don't know what prompted you to think that it was okay to remove Miss Dancy's oak floors in the first place, let alone
100-year-old.
Hey, stop. Let alone remove the carpet that you replaced the floors with. Once you apply something to a house, it is now a modification and it is attached to the house and it belongs to the landlord. So
say it again, Judge. Say it again.
You're in error there, Miss Bailey. So I am going to award Miss Dancy her judgment of the max I can give you is $5,000 here. So I am going to award her the max that I can give her, which is $5,000. So my ruling is for Miss Dancy in the amount of $5,000.
First of all, she moved out of my place in the middle of All-Star. You hear me? She lived in a U-Haul. She put my floors and her carpet in the back of that U-Haul. She's sleeping in there. I seen her go fund me.
Hey,
I want my money. You got $5,000.
You don't know what I'm doing. I'm just renting it, okay? I'm just using it to pull my stuff. Okay?
Who just rents a U-Haul to stay in it? Only somebody from East Atlanta will steal somebody's carpet out their house. You know what? I'm on my way.
What are U-Hauls?
Do you have a dispute and would like to settle it before our forum? If so, contact us at info@basicallyctv.com. Basically Court TV, where the disputes are somewhat real and everyday disagreements are handled however the judge sees fit.